Welcome. We are here at the Ford dealership checking out their trucks. We have for Ford F-150. What are we looking at? $48,965. This one has the bench seat. Pretty good down there. Pretty nice rig there. You got the blue side. 4x4. Let's take a look and see what year it is. It's a F-150, 29 miles per gallon. $2019 it says. Got the black one here. It's raining out here. Look at all these they have. Let's see if we can find out what this one is. This one has a bench as well. Anyone looking for a hot shot? (2019) F-150 4x4 Super Crew, 145 wheelbase, 2.7 V6 EcoBoost. Not bad. And we have all of these over here. So F-150s. Let's take a look at this one over here. Got a 4x4. Man, look at that exhaust. That's awesome. 6.7 liter power stroke. Super Duty. Looks like it's a 2020 F350 SRW 4x4 crew cab. 6.7 power stroke, V8 diesel, 18 speed automatic. Has a center console in there. That's nice. And then you have the rest over there. These are also F-150s. Now, let's walk over here and get this bad boy. Now, this one's a big boy. Got the dually 4x4. Ready to put a dual 6.7 liter power stroke 2020 F-450. $65,049. Center console. So you can put someone in there. 450. Man, that's nice.